It's our first time in South Africa, so a lot of strategic decisions will be made that we have never made before, so that's kind of the tricky part.
We need data and new measurements to calculate the optimal speed, because that's what we're aiming for. We're not just driving out the race, we're actually searching for the optimal way to reach the most kilometers.
Which makes the challenge distance-based rather than time-based, so we have a fixed time every day to be driving, and we need to do as much distance as possible. But this is a very challenging thing, especially for a strategy, because you really need to make estimates based on the weather. Will you drive 5 loops today or rather tomorrow?
And we like this very much because it's very challenging for a strategic point of view.
So the data gathering and the data analysis for our team is crucial. Inside the car there is an antenna which is connected to the CAN system of the car, and so that data is then captured by the chase vehicle, and in that chase vehicle some people have a program running that's constantly analyzing all the factors that are of importance to us. We gather lots of different types of data, but basically we can subdivide them in 2 categories. So first of all, there are like all the flags of the car, which just shows that everything's fine. So like the temperature of the battery, the temperature of the motor. Basically it's a lot of temperatures that are very important. And then also there are other parameters which are more important to strategy. During the race, we have to know how much energy we are consuming, how much energy we are getting in. Since otherwise we cannot know if there's anything defect or if any system has been corrupted. So in some cars, some small programs are needed, like for example to know at what angle we should tilt the solar panel. And so we have several programs then that display that to the strategists, which make the decisions in the end.
We need data and new measurements to calculate the optimal speed, because that's what we're aiming for. We're not just driving out the race, we're actually searching for the optimal way to reach the most kilometers.
It's a software development that actually makes sure that we can drive efficiently. Especially the strategy program is very important, because this is something that takes an advanced input from weather data, from the remaining state of charge of our battery and so on, to actually calculate how many loops we can still drive. And without this software we would not be able to just be calculating the optimum speed for that day. So that's really a major part actually of winning the challenge.
So the data gathering and the data analysis for our team is crucial.